Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites and then take the first steps. Make sure your SSH key is loaded into your agent and your API token is exported as an environment variable. Open the Orion Terminal app or run Orion in your shell. Once launched, authenticate with the token and choose the project. You'll see a project dashboard. Select the repo or workspace. Once done, set the working directory and run Orion status to verify connectivity and available sessions. Now you configure sessions and detailed execution steps so you can work efficiently. Create a session or join an existing one using Orion Session Create or Orion Session Join with the session ID. This isolates your environment. Next, set environment variables, mount necessary volumes, and pick a shell, bash, or ZSH so tools behave predictably. Then start required services. Run Orion start to launch dev servers, containers, or databases. Make sure to watch logs and adjust resources if performance lags. To finish, commit changes and push to your repo, or run Orion Sync to synchronize the workspace with remote storage. End your session cleanly using Orion Session Stop and remove temporary files or mounted volumes to free resources. If something goes wrong, check the terminal and service logs first, then verify network and token validity. Restarting the CLI often clears stale state. If you still see errors, recreate the session and replicate the failure so you can pinpoint the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.